Have you ever wondered how nations respond to terrorist attacks? The recent Pahalgam terror attack serves as a critical example of this. On April 22, a horrific attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, took the lives of 26 innocent civilians. This prompted an urgent response from India, leading to what is now known as Operation Sindoor. The European Union condemned the terror attack, emphasizing that every state has the right to protect its citizens. In response, India initiated Operation Sindoor, targeting terrorist training camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied regions. The goal was to deliver justice and deter future attacks. During Operation Sindoor, Indian armed forces executed precision strikes, neutralizing 9 significant terrorist infrastructures linked to outfits like Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba. This response highlights India's commitment to addressing the threats posed by terrorism. Key technologies like Harpy drones and S-400 Sudarshan Chakra systems were critical in executing this operation. These advanced systems targeted and successfully neutralized enemy air defense capabilities. However, this situation is not just a military response. Political leaders across India expressed their support for the armed forces. Union Home Minister Amit Shah led meetings with chief ministers of bordering states, receiving unanimous praise for the Indian Army's decisive actions. Among the broader implications, the Pahalgam attack and Operation Sindoor reflect deepening tensions between India and Pakistan. Pakistan has retaliated with unprovoked shelling across the line of control. India maintains its position of zero tolerance for terrorism and expresses a desire for peace. The families of the Pahalgam victims welcomed Operation Sindoor, viewing it as a necessary step towards justice. They expressed gratitude towards the government for taking action against the perpetrators. As tensions continue, vigilance remains crucial. India is urging citizens to report any information related to the attack to the National Investigation Agency. This community involvement is vital in combating terrorism. In conclusion, Operation Sindoor signifies India's robust approach to responding to terrorism and safeguarding its citizens. The operation illustrates the necessity of unity and decisive action in the face of threats. Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on global responses to terrorism? Let's discuss how we can contribute to peace and security.